The Baja Bug by KKPIT Performance. 8th scale performance RC. But now I'm gonna open the floor for a paint job montage. I thought I did a good job. What do you think? 2 shades of blue, a gray, a white, and a Sharpie pen. I love the built-in molded detail. This thing is immaculate. I give myself a B, maybe a B plus on the paint job. I definitely learned some things that I can incorporate next time. Because to me, it looked like a Targaryen. Pure bloodline, even the same size. I fitted this Losi Lasernut with 150 amp ESC and 250 kV motor. I run it on 4S even though it's 6S capable. The Scale U4 Rock Racer features on this car are impressive. We also added the giant Mickey Thompson Baja tire. And with these upgrades, we're blasting past 60 miles an hour over rocks and sand. Sitting side by side, the comparisons are undeniable. The resemblance is uncanny in size, even though one's an 8th and one's a 10th scale. They even both share the same canopy clamshell. Both RCs are rocking the Smart system by Firma. This build should hit about 40 to 50 miles an hour in the sand. That'll keep it safe yet fun.
Let's open this bad boy up. All right. So first we see we got some stickers. We got the car actual. And in the box, we have our gear. Looks like we have some pieces for shocks. We have some extra shock parts here. Some shock collars here. More shock parts. Looks like mirrors that go here. Racing tape. I don't know what that is. And a light bar kit. Lights. Looks like a light bar kit.
3mm 7075 chassis, oil-filled shock absorbers, all 4 corners, spiral bevel gears, front and rear, 4mm CVD drive shafts, 7075 steering column, Ackerman steering, 46-tooth nylon spur gear. I present to you the KBT Performance SP Sport Golden Beetle. Now this kit is almost ready to run. Some things you gotta do yourself. You gotta paint the body, you need a servo, you need a receiver, you need a transmitter, you need an ESC, and a motor. We got most of all this stuff from Jenny's RC, pulled, new, used. I would say this thing came out pretty nice. 130 amps, 1900 kV, the exact bloodline of the Losi U4. This thing is laid out sweet. Interchangeable battery tray, smart system, let's go. Oh, almost forgot. You gotta glue your own tires.
I decided, man, they might not be what I want. So I think I'm gonna go with the Fortress D boots. Got these fresh today. Let's put that on there and see what happens. We can only gear up so much because of the motor mount. So you can see the original wheels compared to the Fortress. A little taller compared to the paddles.
And with bigger tires in the back, we need to increase the weight inside our center diff. And without further ado, rolling live footage. Baja Bug Beetle. Losi Lasernut U4. And if she's a Targaryen, then this guy must at least be a Snow. But do I recommend this thing? Absolutely. This comes with my highest personal recommendation. Premium parts, build quality, weight, size, and balance. This thing has it all. And the looks to die for. Love it. Love it. And if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a message, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Rumble 57. And since we out here, let's put this rock racer on the rocks. Oh, we made it all fours like a cat. Those Mickey Thompsons come highly recommended, but the Lasernut sure will strip it out. So you may have to grab you some alloy inserts. I know I did. This rig is more stable up here than it is down there. My 2 cents, the Bug is more stable down here. The Lasernut is more stable up there. Choose a car for your application and I promise you it won't disappoint. Gotta give the people what they want, and I know that people want to know how fast it is. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not sure what number we're gonna see, but whatever it is fast enough for this application. At 40 miles an hour, this thing is plenty fun. If I want to hit the 60s or higher, I'm gonna go get a Creighton or a sledge. This thing is perfect. And just like this beat, you take a bunch of components, put it together, and at the end, you'll have a masterpiece.